Hi there, how's it going, everybody? Good to see you. Here's what's up. When Cameron was born, I made a slideshow on the PowerPoint of her and some pictures, and was getting all fancy and creative and thinking I was doing an awesome job, and went to send it out to everybody, and it's too big. Too many pictures, music, all that. So what I had to do instead was record it off the laptop, upload it to the internet so that everybody could check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it's just as good as it would have been had you received it on your email. And there goes the clock. I'll let that finish and I'll turn it around and get it started. Okay, enjoy the show. So there you go, my technological triumph, whatever. Hopefully it's good, hope you enjoy it. And the Jazz are down by 4 in Game 5 of the first quarter. They better start playing better. Okay, folks, give us a call. It's nice to show this for all of you. Bye.